Good morning, students. Welcome back from spring break. Today you're doing lesson 24, session 1, writing fractions as decimals. So, just before spring break, we talked about what are rational numbers. And rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as fractions. All right. Decimals are not always rational numbers because some decimals are irrational and they go on forever and they never repeat. But rational numbers can be written as a fraction, and all of those fractions then can be converted to a decimal through division. All right. So let's take a look at just two quick examples first before we get going. So if I have the fraction 1/2, then what I'm saying is 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2, and I usually do this backwards. I usually put the 2 inside and the 1 on the outside, but then it's wrong because there are going to be 0 2's in 1 because the 1 is on top. This number is half, it's less than 1. So to make it from 1/2 to 0.5, I divide. There are 0 2's in 1. What I had to do is add a 0 here, and I can add as many zeros as I want or as I need because 1.0 is the same as just 1. That's why we don't write the decimal or all these zeros because we don't need to. But now I can magically divide. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Notice I'm ignoring the decimals. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. I have no remainder, so 1/2 or half is 0.5, which is a terminating decimal. Like the Terminator, it kills things, it ends. Then the other type of fraction we have, 1/3, so 1 divided by 3, so 1 divided by 3. Again, there's 0 3's in 1, so I'm going to put a decimal and some zeros here. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the next 0. 3 goes into 10 3 times. Remainder 1. Bring down the next 0. You probably noticed that I'm now in a loop where I'm always doing how many 3's in 10. There's 3 3's in 10, which is 9, and there's 1 left over, which continues on. So this is what we call a repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. And we write it like this: 0.3 is repeating. The 3 is repeating, goes on forever. It's different than just 0.3 because 0.3 is 3 over 10. And if I do 3 divided by 10, there would be 0 10's in 3, but there's 3 10's in 30. And so I have a terminating decimal. So these numbers are different because one is repeating, it's a little bit bigger than the other. Okay, so that's their quick refresher on rational numbers and repeating and terminating decimals. So let's take a look at our problem. Chantel sketches a design for a hip-hop concert poster. She uses art software to make a poster from her sketch. The software requires her to use decimal measurements. Are both fractions shown in Chantel's sketch repeating decimals? How do you know?